Are you ready? Let's enter the world of telecars, chock full of scientific and technological fun and excitement. The Geely Telecar world. Geely Telecars for the new generation. The Hanba and Wheeler are the flagships of the Geely cross-country telecar family. They represent the most advanced innovations in telecars because they utilize the most advanced remote control and chassis-making technology in the world. They're also strictly and elaborately made on a scale of 1 to 6 to real cars. First, let's take a look at the Wheeler. It has a tough outline, heavy, thick tires, a solid frame, special chassis structure, a spacious interior, and complete fittings. The powerful and complete illumination system displays its tough and stubborn character. Every detail displays its maximum power to the telecar world. The unique searchlights give you much more fun than any other ordinary telecars because they can be assembled and disassembled freely, while the others can't. What's more, if you drive in the dark, you'll find that the searchlights are just like adding wings to a tiger. The solid frame is tough and resilient. Its crashworthiness multiplies its safety factor. The Wheeler is one of a kind because the hood, the door, the packing box, and the running lights can also be assembled and disassembled freely. Fantastic! Ho-ho! I'm sure you can't wait to have a go, right? Just a minute. Don't forget the transmitter. The transmitter is the latest design by the Luoyu staff. They integrate the heavy metal sense of reality and the super cool feeling of the car perfectly. Both the joystick and all the function keys are both flexible and precise. Let's go! Speed up! Stop! Swing the tail! Swing the windshield wipers! Grind those gears! Quick turn! Go back and turn! Zigzag! Absolutely smashing! The Wheeler's ability to stand up to tough tests is first-rate, as well as its cross-country ability. The Wheeler can overcome every obstacle along the way, climb up slopes, even go through marshland and loblolly. In a word, it can go forward freely, whether in the dark or on the battlefields. Can't you just smell the gunpowder? That's it! That's the Wheeler, the unbeatable cross-country telecar. Geely, telecars for the new generation.